Hey kiddos, it's Miss Laura here. Are y'all ready for a little art project today? I hope so. We've got that ever famous holiday coming up. Do you know what holiday it is? One of our most important holidays. Easter is coming up. And a fun tradition that Americans have is hiding Easter eggs and going for an Easter egg hunt. Well, let's do a little art project that has to do with Easter eggs. What you're going to need is white paper, masking tape. Mine happens to be very skinny masking tape. You can use regular, it is fine. And a pencil, and of course, water for your watercolors. Some of you saw my chalk painting on my back fence in my backyard. This is similar to the chalk painting that I did, but we're going to paint an Easter egg, and it's going to look a little bit like a stained glass window. I just think they're bright and happy and fun. So the first thing we're going to do with our pencil is to draw an Easter egg, and it's going to be quite large. So you want to cover almost the whole paper. Now an Easter egg is like an oval, but it's smaller at the top than it is at the bottom. So let's draw our Easter egg. There's my oval, and I met at the same point. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is to get your tape. Now I'm going to take several strips of masking tape and just gently place it across the Easter egg in a random fashion. That means I'm not making a pattern. I am randomly placing masking tape. Let's see, I'll go that way across my egg. Don't press it down too hard because eventually we're going to remove the masking tape. Okay, there. And let's see. How do I want to do it? It's supposed to be random. That way. And I'm going to put another one down at the bottom because this one is just too big. Okay. And then maybe one more right here. I think that's enough. Now here's the rule for painting. Your colors, the same color cannot touch each other. Kind of like social distancing for colors. So you can use any color except brown or black. Because to me, they're not as happy as purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So get your brush nice and wet. I'm going to start with purple. Get it good and wet. All right. I'm going to color a square or an area in purple. All right. Choose a new color. Remember, the same color I cannot put purple here, 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 or here. So I'm choosing a new color. And don't worry about going outside the line. You know why? You're going to cut out your Easter egg. There's green. Add some happy yellow. Yellow to me is a sunny, happy color. I'm going to get lots of paint on my wet brush. Wow, that is really pretty. Lots of bright yellow. Okay, rinse out my brush. Pick a new color, blue. Get some good blue on my brush. Okay. Looking nice. See how your paint does not stick to the masking tape either? You'll see why this is going to be so cool in a minute. Okay, what's my next color? Orange. Orange is another really happy color. I'm going to put it up here. Get some more paint, a little more water. Okay, looks good. Next one is red. Get some good paint on there. Nice. Rinse it out. Let's go back to purple. Purple, purple, purple. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. And let's go with, I'm going to go back to orange again. Put a little orange down here. Okay. Blue. There, that's lovely. Go back to yellow. I'll put a little yellow in that block right there. Where else can I put yellow? I'll put it up here. It's not touching the same color. Get more paint. Fill it in. Nice. Rinse out my brush. Go for a new color. Let's see, green. Looks good. Okay. What's my next color? What are you going to use? I'll go back to blue. Put that right there. Okay. I'm going to put blue right here too. It's a really vibrant blue that I have right there. Okay. I need some more orange. Orange is happy. Fill in your whole egg. I need some more red. I forgot about poor red. Look how pretty that is. You know what? My two color reds are almost touching each other, but I have enough masking tape that it separated the two, so I won't worry about it. Okay. More purple at the top. Purple to me reminds me of royalty. There's a royal purple up there. And let's see. I can't use yellow. I can't use orange. I shouldn't use purple. Let's put some more blue in there. Okay, now here's the best case scenario. You're gonna let this dry. If I was to peel off all this masking tape now, it's probably going to fade into each other. But I'm gonna do it anyway for the purposes of showing you, okay? Let me walk over here for just a second. I'm gonna come back. Well, here's something else I could do before, just to let it dry a little bit. Let me get a paper towel. That way I can mop it up. you should let yours dry completely before you go on to this next step. But I'm just gonna show you. So I'm gonna kind of mop up the wet bits, okay? And I'll put that aside. Now, the fun part. I'm gonna start taking off my tape. Okay. Hopefully your tape was not on there too solidly because it might rip your paper. And you start with the tape that's on the top, because if you started pulling, watch this, from the bottom, it's going to pull up several pieces of tape, and that might ruin your picture. So if you can tell which pieces of tape are on the top, take those first. Let's see, this one looks like it's on top. I'm going to take it. Look, it's starting to look like stained glass. Let's see which one's on top. This one. And which one is on top? It's hard to tell. Let me try this one. Nope. So I'm going to take the other one. Oh, see, it just took two. Gotta be very gentle and careful. Okay, that is gorgeous. Now you're gonna cut out your egg all the way around. This is important to stay on the lines. The gator eats the line. The gator eats the line. Hi-ho the dear, yeah, the gator eats the line. Might even stay inside the lines, just a little bit. The gator eats the line. The gator eats the line. Hi-ho the deer, yeah, the gator eats the line. Excuse me. Look how pretty that is. All right, you could do one of two things. You can either tape it in your window, just as it is, or glue it onto another piece of construction paper that might be pink or yellow or any color that you like and frame it. Either way, I think it's gorgeous. Did y'all enjoy that one? Okay. I will talk to you soon, kiddos. Love you. Bye.